Greetings investors, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, generating passive income with dividend investing. If you are looking for ways to build wealth and create a steady stream of income, dividend investing is an excellent strategy to consider. In this video we will explore the concept of dividend investing, its benefit and how you can get started. So let's jump right in. Introduction to dividend investing. In this section, we will provide an overview of dividend investing and why it's a popular strategy among investors seeking passive income. We will explain what dividends are and how they work, highlighting the advantages they offer such as regular income potential, capital appreciation, and stability. You will gain insights into why many investors prefer dividend-paying stocks. Understanding dividend yield and dividend growth. Dividend yield and dividend growth are essential metrics to consider when selecting dividend stocks. We will dive into these concepts and explain how to evaluate the dividend yield, which indicates the annual dividend payout relative to the stock price. We will also discuss the significance of dividend growth as it reflects a company's ability to increase its dividend payments over time. Identifying high-quality dividend stocks. Not all dividend stocks are created equal. In this section, we will guide you through the process of identifying high-quality dividend stocks. We will discuss key factors to consider such as the company's financial health, dividend history, payout ratio, and industry trends. By conducting thorough research and analysis, you can select dividend stocks with the potential for consistent income and growth. Diversification and risk management. Diversification is a crucial aspect of any investment strategy, including dividend investing. We will emphasize the importance of diversifying your dividend portfolio across different sectors and industries. Additionally, we will discuss risk management techniques to protect your portfolio, including assessing the stability of dividend-paying companies and monitoring market conditions. Dividend reinvestment plans. Dividend reinvestment plans, commonly known as DRIPs, can turbocharge your dividend investing journey. We will explain how DRIPs work and their benefits such as compound growth and the ability to acquire additional shares without incurring transaction costs. We will also discuss how to enroll in DRIPs and the potential tax implications to consider. Tax considerations for dividend investors. Taxes play a significant role in dividend investing. We will provide an overview of the tax implications associated with dividend income, including qualified dividends and ordinary dividends. We will discuss tax-efficient strategies such as holding dividend stocks in tax-advantaged accounts like individual retirement accounts, IRAs, or 401ks to minimize your tax liabilities. Monitoring and managing your dividend portfolio. Monitoring and managing your dividend portfolio is essential for long-term success. We will share tips on how to track your dividend income, evaluate the performance of your dividend stocks, and make informed decisions about buying, selling, or holding investment. We will also highlight the significance of staying updated on company news, dividend announcements, and market trends. Reinvesting dividends versus taking cash. When receiving dividend payments, you have the option to reinvest them or take them as cash. We will discuss the pros and cons of each approach and help you determine which strategy aligns with your financial goals and circumstances. We will also emphasize the power of compounding by reinvesting dividends and its long-term impact on your investment returns. Congratulations, you now have a solid understanding of dividend investing and how it can generate passive income. Remember to focus on high quality dividend stocks, diversify your portfolio, and monitor your investment regularly. Consider utilizing dividend reinvestment plans and optimizing your tax strategies to maximize your returns. With diligent research and a long term perspective, dividend investing can be a rewarding strategy to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. As we wrap up this video, we would like to remind you to give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow investors, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. If you have any questions or topics you could like us to cover in future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy investing.